and welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got a whole bunch of fun 4th of July ideas to share with you. These are really fun if you're setting up a backyard barbecue or setting up a fun little bar drink area. So all of these started out as what I call blanks. For this ice bucket here where you can store your cold beverages, I'm using the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. And this formula is great because the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge is going to allow our ice bucket to be water and ice friendly. So this started out as a plain bucket, and I went in and I did napkin decoupage on that. And for the napkin decoupage, I'm just using that top printed ply of the napkin. And for this design in particular, I tore apart the napkin using a paintbrush and a little bit of water to create that feathered edge. And then I just used my Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge to decoupage it all on the outside of this bucket. Now it is important that you use the dishwasher safe for this. I also added some confetti little tiny flags there, and then to finish it off, I top coated it 3 times with Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. I think it's such a cute look, and you can really do this to the large tubs, the smaller tubs like this, whatever you want. Okay, let's move on to some of the other ideas. You know I love a good upcycle and recycle. So these started out as just tin cans, some recycled tin cans from my beans and my soup. I washed out the cans and I painted them with a layer of Folk Art Home Decor chalk in a light color. Now it's important that you use a light color because you want those colors of the napkin to pop through. And then it's just as easy as decoupaging on the outside with a napkin of your choice. Now I went with these patriotic colors because this is all for 4th of July, but look how cute these are. You can add real flowers to this because they're tin cans, or silks like this. Here you see I've got straws in this one. You can use it for utensils. You can really create a fun coordinated look for your 4th of July buffet just with a few napkins. All right, let's move on to my favorite project of this video, which is our sippers. And you can see that I've got a couple of little glass wine glasses, and I've got some plastic sippers like this with the straws. Again, we are using the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge for this, and these are so easy to do. The first step is you're going to make sure your glassware is clean, and I'm wiping it with rubbing alcohol to remove any grease. Then we're just going to apply our Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge, and then I'm using some glitter. Now for this project, I'm using this cool glitter. It's a patriotic mix, so it's got some really tiny stars in there and some gorgeous reds and blues. I did tape off the top there because Mod Podge is not food grade. You don't want to put that on the lip area. So you'll notice on the glasses, I've kept the top clean, and you notice on the straws, I've gone all the way up because I'm not worried about having it on the lip there. Now again, just like the bucket with the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge, that's going to be 3 top coats. You can put these in the top rack of the dishwasher. I personally hand wash because I think of them as specialty things, but you can put them in the dishwasher also. All right, let's move on to our last project, and this is so cute. This is also could be used as an ice bucket because again, I'm using the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge, but for this one, I'm adding 2 glitters together. I've got my patriotic mix, and then I've got some of this chunky red, and I've used the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge to apply that glitter to the outside. This is really fun just for putting up a bunch of chips or fruit. Again, you could fill your glasses in here. And to do this, I just mix the glitter with my Mod Podge, and I like to do that in a little recycled container or a little cup. Mix that good together, and then you're just gonna brush it right onto your bucket. This bucket's plastic, but this works on tin, glass, whatever you want. You can see with 1 coat, you get kind of a nice light layer, but you can layer it up 2 or 3 times to get a thick, chunky look. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope these ideas have inspired you on what you can do to set up your 4th of July buffet. These are all so quick and easy to do with napkins and glitter. Remember, this is the dishwasher safe formula, and on all of these, I did do 3 top coats, and that's going to make them moisture friendly. So if you've got condensation from your ice, you don't need to worry about your napkins slipping off. All right, I'll be back here next week with another fun project video to share with you, and until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.